lifestylers, and welcome to my channel. I am Latasha and this is Lifestyle with Latasha. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a little something special for outside. I'm going to be doing my patio for fall. So as you can see, it's full of dust. It needs to be cleaned. So we're going to start out doing that, but we're going to set it up for fall, get it all comfy and cozy. And then we're going to have a little special treat this evening. Because you know I love my Twilight videos. So we're going to do something special for the family this evening out here. And I'm so excited for you to be here and join me as we get it all set up. So let's get started. Well, all right, the first thing that we're going to do is we've got to get it all clean. You know, if you've been here before, the first thing that I always try to do is try to clean up a little bit, get rid of dust. And as you can see, this is outside. So I'm just going to take some cleaner and just kind of wipe everything off just to get it shining up a little bit and get it ready for all the decorating that we're going to do. Here, I had the intention of hanging some wreaths here, and I'm gonna be honest, I tried to get this to work, and unfortunately trying to use command hooks for this to work just didn't. So I ended up going a different route. So what you're gonna see here is that I've got an oversized wreath that I'm gonna utilize, and I'm gonna hang it on the curtain rod that is hanging up there, just to elevate it a little bit higher than what I was trying to do before. And that actually worked out much better. All right, the next thing that I'm doing is I'm going to start bringing in some of my pillows. So I've got these rust pillows. I've had these for a while, and I just decided that I'm going to put them out here because I really love the color. Now, if you've been here before, you know I love my pillow covers. So I got these from Amazon, and these are the different styles that it came in a set of 4. And of course, I'll link that down below for you to be able to get those yourself if you're interested. The final thing that I'm going to put on the couch here is going to be a pumpkin. Once again, I got this from Amazon, and I had to laugh because when I got that first pumpkin, it was in an airtight seal bubble, so it was completely flat. And then, of course, as I opened it, it expanded, and it really turned out really well. This is a throw. Now, I'm going to be honest, this was a set of 4. And now I'm kicking myself because I wish I had gotten it in every color, but I got these from Amazon, and of course I'll link them down below. These are so cozy, and these pillow covers went perfect with it. So this is the 4th pillow cover that came in that set. I'm gonna be honest, I think I made a mistake because I actually got them a little bit larger, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. These are some storage boxes that I have, and then one of my favorite sets of deer that I got from Big Lots a few years back. I thought these would be perfect to put out here, especially being on the outside. And as I mentioned before in another video, we actually have a lot of wildlife in our backyard. And so we get to see deer walking through, and we get to see the squirrels and the chipmunks. So I thought these were perfect for the setting. And of course, the last thing is gonna always be a candle. All right, so these storage boxes that I just showed you actually came in a set of 3, and I got these a few years back from Ashley Furniture. These are some that have been able to float around my house in several different settings, and so I've used them quite often over the past few years, and I thought they were perfect to go out here. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in this floral setting that I've had for quite a while. If you remember in one of the previous videos, I talked about my vases. Those vases actually came from Facebook Marketplace. And these wooden houses, I actually got these from At Home, and you can view them in my shopping haul video a few weeks back. Of course, we've got to add in some pumpkins and this beautiful gather sign which I love putting in my cozy spaces that I utilize with my family. It's coming together just like I like it. All right, so now I'm going to set up the beginning of something special for my family. So I've got this marble tray that I'm going to utilize out here. And as a part of that shopping haul that I did video, this leaf I absolutely love. I got that from At Home. And then I'm going to bring out some coffee mugs for a special little treat. Okay, I'm going to now add in these lamps, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to take out my old topiaries. So I use these all the time, but I decided that I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I don't know if you remember this tree from last year, but I got this from Amazon, and I'm kicking myself because I'm contemplating whether I should have gotten more, but I probably will. However, that topiary sat in a container, a planter. I'm going to utilize that and put the tree in it just to give it a little bit more height. And as you can see here, this 6-foot tree became 8 foot by putting it in this planter. Now you won't see me do it here in this video, but I will have to secure it with like some bricks just to make sure that it doesn't fall over. I added in some moss up top and some pumpkins just to finish the look. On this side of the patio, I'm going to bring out a lamp, a floor standing lamp, just to give some light because those topiary trees were lit and they provided a lot of light on my patio. So I decided I really liked that effect, so I brought this lamp in just to allow some of that light to be out there on the patio when we're out there enjoying it. I'm going to bring back in my table. And guys, I know that we're in fall, but I'm so excited. My ferns have done really well. And so I'm going to keep them out there as long as I can. They're surviving and thriving, and I love it. The last thing I'm going to add in this corner is one of my deer that I got a couple of years back. Now here, I've got this blank space. So I decided I wanted to create like a collection of a fall accent. So I'm going to do some candles here. And what I just did was use the insert of a planter. I used one of my risers. I have several different types. And I put one of these candles on there. These candles I got quite a few years ago. And sad to say, I got them from Steinmart. Steinmart is no longer around. And I know they're online. However, I don't know if those are still available. So this is just showing how I set that up. And then to go around the candles and complete the fall look, I put 2 wreaths around them. And I thought it was just perfect. Of course, I'm going to bring in a pumpkin just to finish the look, but it created just a nice little cozy collective over there in that space. So here, I've got some more blankets because honestly, my outdoor space has really turned into my office some mornings. So some mornings I decide that I'm going to work out here, and it could be a little chilly. We're down in the 60s sometimes in the morning. So I decided that I wanted to bring out some more blankets. That way, if I wanted to utilize those, I could do so. Now, you saw me put this blanket out earlier on the other chair, and simply here, I just decided to move it over to the other chair just because it was a lot going on with the tree and everything on that side. And then this is my favorite little cozy asset. It's my little stool that I get to prop my feet up on when I'm working on my computer. Here you have it. So what do you guys think? I've got a couple of more touches that I'm going to bring in. Those oversized lanterns. I put some pumpkins on the inside. I was able to just place a little nail, and I hung some more wreaths around. And now I'm going to light the candles and I'm going to start to create the ambiance that my family and I enjoy so much. Isn't that perfect? We got to turn on the lights. We've got to light all of the candles, and we've got to create that vibe that makes us so happy. I hope that you're enjoying this video, and if this is your first time, I want to say thank you for joining me today. And if you've been here before, I want to say thank you for returning and being here again. And please, if you like something in this video, share it with some of your family and friends and tell them all about Lifestyle with Latasha. We've got an audacious goal of trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And so I'm asking, if you like what you've seen, share it with some of your family and your friends and some of the people in your circle. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. Now that everything's lit, here's all the colors and the way that it comes together. And I am thrilled at the way that it's turned out. It is so cozy, and I absolutely love it. I love it for myself, and I love it for my family, and I love it for you guys being able to be here and join me as I get to create this space for my family. I hope that it gives you some sort of inspiration and some kind of ideas that you're wanting to use in your own space. All right, so to wrap up this video, I decided that we're going to do something really special for my family. So I'm going to set up a little place that we're going to be able to come out and do our favorite pastime. If you've been here before, you know what our favorite drink of choice is. It is hot chocolate. And so I'm going to create a little hot chocolate bar for us to come out and enjoy this evening. And guys, when I tell you it was so delicious, it was so good. We're going to have some light refreshments with some muffins, and I just can't wait for you to see how it turned out and how much we enjoyed it. So here we go. Some steaming hot chocolate is always a win for us in our household. And I've got some special little extras that we're going to add in just to make it perfect in time for this cozy weather. You've got to tell me down below what your comments are and what you think about it. Oh, it already looks delicious. And don't forget, those pumpkin plates came from at home. But here we go. as good as it looked, it tasted even better. Well, all right, lifestylers, we are done for the day. And as you can see, we did quite a lot in this video. I have thoroughly enjoyed setting up my patio tonight. It was really fun. And then at the end, I made it a little special for my family, which we really thoroughly enjoyed. As I stated before in videos before, hot chocolate is our thing. So this was right up our alley. But I want to thank you for joining me today, because I hope that somewhere along the lines you got a little bit of inspiration in what you're wanting to do in your own home. And so I want to say thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed what you've seen today. If you have, please hit that like button and let me know. If you've subscribed already, please share it with someone else and ask them to subscribe as well. We are setting an ambitious goal. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by October. So I'm really pushing for it. I'm really excited for it. And my husband told me, just ask. So I am here doing that. I'm asking that you would tell your family and friends about this channel. If there's anything that you like, ask them to subscribe so that they can be a part of Lifestyle with Latasha. In the meantime, I would enjoy to have your comments about what you enjoyed most. And I really want to hear if you're going to be trying that little hot chocolate treat that we did tonight. It was so delicious. And so it was really good to have that and just be able to kind of wind down at the end of the night. So now everyone's retired for the evening and I'm getting ready to do the same. So once again, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you being here. And I hope you got some inspiration for your own home. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Happy fall, y'all.